Okay, when the ice machine is stuck with water, we need to clear it, put it in the bags, ice, and try and get as much ice as possible out from this area. Next, we go get the hose. Okay, so we get the hose from outside, and we are going to take the whole thing as long as possible so we can bring it into the store. Okay, then I'm going to put the hose in here and into the hole and just press it. Squeeze it, give it a good squeeze for at least 30 seconds. And then we take it out and see what happens. If it's still not moving, then we do it again. A couple of times is actually good. Really strong pressure. Now it should work. If the pressure is not big enough, you can turn this to the highest power and then press it in again. Once it's drained, we put some hot water. Really hot water.
Oh, we gotta start. It's gonna break stuff behind.
Oh. Okay. Okay, once that's filled up, we're going to pour this hot water into this area here. Just let it burn through some of the blood. Finally, flush it with some mineral water. Put that in there so it will just flush it with clean water. Once it's all drained, then now we're going to put the ice back. That's it, all done. Perfect.